Well, it's the most gorgeous Tuesday afternoon. I mean, actually, it's sunset. As you can see, took a lot of walk today and been visiting around places that never happened. I mean, like, you can't see this place as much as you can, right? So, giving the chance that, you know, I had to scout and see what's the place can offer. Oh, it's a wild feel. It's gorgeous day. Look at that. Look at that. It's wide space of green and space. You can breathe. And oh, I love that pine trees all that side. Looks like a bonsai. How they grow. It's amazing. Look at that trees, right? I can breathe. Beautiful trees over here. Pine trees and pine cones. And of course, you have to relax and sit down. Well, it's time to relax for this one. See this place. It's good. So I'll see you around, and till next video. Bye for now.